Hello, everyone. Hola, bienvenidos. Welcome. Very soon, we will have class together with Open English Mode. My name is Megan. I am a teacher with Open English. We are just getting ready for Open English Mode, 10 minutes of free English with Open English. So, envíe tus comentarios. ¿Cómo estás? ¿De dónde eres? Hello, Jorge Luis. Great to see you again. Welcome. Today we will talk about holiday cooking. We will practice lots of different vocabulary there. So in a few minutes, we will also be live on Instagram. Hello, Harrison. Good to see you. How is everyone? Did you all have a nice weekend? It was Thanksgiving on Thursday in the United States. So we had holiday time with family. Good. I see many people are watching. It is great to see all of you. Envíe tus comentarios. ¿Cómo estás? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Todos están listos para la clase hoy? Today we are going to practice vocabulary for holiday cooking and hot beverages. I see some students that I recognize. That is great. Hello, Mary. Mary says hello from Santiago. Excellent. Welcome. My name is Megan. I am from the United States. It is cold here today. We are having winter. Harrison is from Venezuela. Excellent. Very good. Hello, Giovanni from Portland, Oregon. Wonderful. Hello, Manuela. Hello, Hector. Hector says hello from Colombia. Excellent. Hello, Angel from Ecuador. Great to see you again. Hello, Josefa, Edgar, Henia. Let's see, I see Macarena from Peru. Good. Hello, Jim. Excellent. Hi, Veronica. Great to see all of you. Envíe tus comentarios durante la clase para participar y para practicar tu inglés. Hoy vamos a practicar vocabulario. Today we are going to practice vocabulary. Hello, Kevin. Hello, Jorge. Hello, Brian. I see many people are saying hello from countries around the world. That is excellent. Very good. Very soon we are going to have class together with Open English Mode. Hi, Raymond. Hi, Stephanie. Hello, Alex. Okay, well, let's start today's class. So welcome to everyone. Hola y bienvenidos a Open English Mode, 10 minutos de inglés gratis con Open English. Mi nombre es Megan de Chicago, Estados Unidos, y soy profesora de inglés con 6 años de experiencia enseñando en Open English. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre vocabulario para cocinar. We are going to study vocabulary for cooking, specifically holiday cooking and hot beverages, bebidas calientes. So I will just wait a moment for our Instagram class to start. Hello, everyone on Instagram. Hello, bienvenidos. Bienvenidos a Open English Mode, 10 minutos de inglés gratis con Open English. Hoy vamos a practicar vocabulario. Today we are going to practice vocabulary for holiday cooking and hot beverages, bebidas calientes. So let's begin. First, we have a pop quiz. What is the Monday after Thanksgiving? Envía tus comentarios. ¿Alguien sabe what is the Monday after Thanksgiving? Do you know about a term for this Monday? I see more people are saying hello. Hello, Teresita. Hello, Daniel. Okay, I can show you the answer here. The Monday after Thanksgiving is Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday. So at Open English, we have a special today, solo por hoy, 75% off. So please check out our special. We want to see you in more of our classes. Okay, let's start today's lesson. Envía tus comentarios, match, emparejar. Match the word or phrase to the pictures. I will read the English words. Try to identify the pictures. These are about holiday cooking. So for letter A, we have saucepan, saucepan. Which picture is letter A? Envía tus comentarios para participar. Letter B is milk. Milk. Letter C, marshmallows. Marshmallows. Letter D, sugar. Sugar. Letter E, cinnamon. Cinnamon. And letter F, cocoa. Cocoa. We can see these are all ingredients that can be common in holiday cooking or hot beverages, bebidas calientes. Envía tus comentarios para practicar, para participar. What do you think? Can you match, emparejar, match the words and pictures? Envía tus comentarios. I see many people are saying hello. Hello, Juan. Hello, Fausto. Hello, Jonathan. Excellent. Hello, everyone. Okay, so let's look at the answers for these vocabulary words. We will verify the answers together. Okay, so here we can see the pictures and the English words. Picture number 1 matches letter E, cinnamon, cinnamon. Picture number 2 matches letter F, cocoa, cocoa. Picture number 3 matches letter C. This is a fun word to say. This is marshmallows, marshmallows. Picture number 4 is letter B, milk, milk. Picture number 5 is letter A, saucepan, saucepan. And picture number 6 is letter D, sugar, sugar. So you can see these are all ingredients or items for holiday cooking, specifically for hot beverages. So let's continue, let's practice more. Hola, bienvenidos a todos. Estamos practicando vocabulario para cocinar, para bebidas calientes, juntos con Open English Mode, 10 minutos de inglés gratis con Open English. So let's look at some practice opportunities here. Okay, try to fill in the blank or complete the sentences. Envía tus comentarios, complete the sentences, and answer the question, what drinks can you make at home? ¿Preparas bebidas en tu casa? Explica. So explain, what drinks can you make at home? And try to fill in the blank with today's vocabulary. For letter A, you can heat liquids, heat, calentar, heat liquids in a what? What is this in picture A? Okay, let's try B. Letter B. Blank is a common ingredient in hot drinks. What is the ingredient here in picture B? And finally, C, try to complete the sentence. Blank is a spice, especia, spice, that can be added to food or drinks. So what spice do you see here? What do you think? Try to practice today's vocabulary and discuss. What drinks can you make at home? Do you make hot chocolate or special coffee? I will watch for your comments. Envía tus comentarios. Good, Veronica, Jorge, Christopher. I see many great responses. Good, milk, excellent. Very good, you are correct. Letter B can be completed with the word milk. Milk is a common ingredient in hot drinks. Good, so the letter B is milk. What about letters A or C? Good, I see Jorge Luis, Veronica say cinnamon. Very good, letter C is cinnamon. Excellent, cinnamon. And letter A, you can heat liquids in, what do you think? Calentar líquidos. What is the name for this item? Oh, good. I see it in the earlier comments. Yes, saucepan. Excellent. Very good. A saucepan. Okay, what about the question? What drinks can you make at home? What drinks can you make at home? For example, I like to make hot chocolate with marshmallows. Good. Chris, Jesus says coffee. Francis says coffee. Mzika makes dinner at home. Wow, good. Excellent. Great. Some great examples here. I will put coffee. I like to drink coffee at home. And we can add more details. For example, I can say, I like to make coffee with sugar and milk. I add cinnamon. You can add many different details to be more specific. Excellent. Great participation. Very nice work. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. More practice. What do you think? Envía tus comentarios y bienvenidos a todos. Estamos practicando vocabulario juntos con Open English Mode. So send your ideas. Envía tus comentarios. What do you see in the kitchens? Kitchen number 1 and kitchen number 2. Create sentences. Haz oraciones. Create sentences to describe what you see. For example, I see what? There are some ideas here. Remember, we practiced the words saucepan, milk, cocoa, cinnamon, sugar, and marshmallows. What do you see? Can you create a sentence about picture number 1 or picture number 2? Oh, I see many ideas about drinks people make at home. Good. Strawberry juice, hot chocolate. Good. Hello, everyone. Good. Okay, so what do you see in the pictures? We see 2 different kitchens here. Walter says, I see spoons. Good vocabulary. Excellent. Let me put this here. I will put, I see a spoon. And Walter is talking about this item here. That is a spoon. Great vocabulary, Walter. Wow. Good. What are some of the ingredients you see? Do you see some ingredients for hot beverages? Good. Chris Jesus says, I see milk. Fiorella says, I see marshmallows. Good. Excellent. Great. So let's see here. We can say, I see milk and marshmallows. Right? Remember milk, leche. We see milk here in the pan. And we also see some marshmallows. Malvaviscos marshmallows. Good, excellent. Great participation, great ideas. There are many possible responses, but let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Envía tus comentarios para practicar tu inglés, and we will read about culture together. So what are popular holiday flavors, sabores, and drinks, bebidas, in your country? Envía tus comentarios y bienvenidos a todos. Estamos estudiando y practicando vocabulario juntos con Open English Mode. So here we can learn a fact about North American culture. Many stores and shopping malls in the United States include coffee shops. People can buy hot chocolate, hot apple cider, bebida de manzana, tea, and flavored coffees there to drink while they do their holiday shopping. When something is flavored, it has flavors. Tiene sabores. There are seasonal beverages with special holiday flavors that are often available in November and December. So seasonal, de temporada, for example, for the holidays. In the United States, peppermint menta is a popular holiday flavor that is added to many hot drinks. So what about you? We have students here from many countries. What are popular holiday flavors and drinks in your country? Do you have special kinds of coffee or hot chocolate? Let me see your ideas. Good. I see many people are saying hello. Hello, Maria. Hello, Lalita. Good. Do you have special holiday drinks in your country? Do you make drinks at home or buy flavored drinks at shopping malls? For example, I am from the United States, so peppermint and pumpkin, calabaza, are popular flavors for drinks in my country. These are popular flavors. Popular drinks are things like hot chocolate, hot apple cider. What about you? Are there popular drinks and flavors in your country? Christina says, in Colombia, a popular drink is shampoo. It is so delicious. I don't know this. Can you explain? Fiorella says, hot chocolate is popular at Christmas. Good. Tricia says, beer and wine. Okay. Hot chocolate. Debbie says chocolate. Vanilla coffee. Veronica says, good. Rocio says there's a hot drink in Mexico called ponche. Very good. Excellent. Great ideas here. So I will put some of them here. We saw vanilla coffee, ponche, hot chocolate. Excellent. Very good. Great participation. Great ideas. Thank you, everyone. Wonderful. Great practice with vocabulary. So remember, today is Cyber Monday. So you can get 75% off solo por hoy. Please check our website and social media to sign up. Y espero que les haya gustado la clase de hoy. Los esperamos el próximo lunes para que aproveche 10 minutos más de inglés gratis con Open English. Y no lo olvides, inscríbete a nuestro curso en openenglish.com para que domines el inglés tan rápido como tú decidas. ¡Te esperamos!